Round off nearest numbers. Round off nearest 10. Round off nearest 100. Round off nearest 1000.
Round off nearest 10. First rule. We have to look at ones place of the number if it is less than 5. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the ones digit will be replaced by 0. Second rule. If the ones place is more than 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then tens place digit will be increased by 1. For example, 24 equals to 20. Ones place is less than 5. Hence, 4 is replaced by 0. $70 equals to 70. 152 equals to 150. 46 equals to 50. Ones place is more than 5. Hence, tens digit will be increased by 1. 15 equals to 20. 78 equals to 80. 127 equals to 130. 7 is more than 5. Hence, tens is increased by 1. प्लीज वीडियो को लाइक करो और चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो। Round off nearest 100. First rule. We have to look at tens place of number if it is less than 5. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tens place digit will be replaced by 0. Second rule. If the tens place is more than 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then replace tens place by 0 and increase 100 place by 1. For example, 946 equals to 900. Tens place is replaced by 0 because tens is less than 5. 843 equals to 800. 135 equals to 100. 525 equals to 500. 345 equals to 300. 268 equals to 300. 100 place is increased by 1 because tens place is more than 5. 757 equals to 800.
469 equals to 500. Round off nearest 1000. First rule. We have to look at hundreds place of number. If it is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, then the 100 place digit will be replaced by 0. Second rule. If the 100 place is more than 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 100 place replaced by 0 and the 1000 place digit will be increased by 1. For example, 2179 equals to 2000. 100 place 1 is replaced by 0 because 100 place 1 is less than 5. Look at one more example. 4371 equals to 4000. 1439 equals to 1000. 5490 equals to 5000. 9241 equals to 9000. 6760 equals to 7000. 1000 place 6 is increased by 1 because 100 plus 7 is more than 5. 1595 3812 equals to 4000. 7925 equals to 8000. 3555 equals to 4000. प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करो